The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a flood warning for all or portions of the following rivers in Iowa: Black Hawk Creek, South Skunk River, Des Moines River, Raccoon River, North Raccoon River, North River, affecting the following counties in Iowa: Black Hawk, Dallas, Greene, Madison, Polk, Story, Warren. River forecasts include observed precipitation, as well as expected precipitation over the next 48 hours. If you encounter a flooded area, turn around and find an alternate route. Turn around. Do not drown. More information, including impact statements and crest histories, is available on the web at www.weather.gov Des Moines. Click on the Rivers and Lakes link.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.